Hi guys, me and Alasito, we're going to eat. So yeah, and also we're in Punta Cana, like the other videos.
We don't win.
Yeah, we're still in Punta Cana. We're at the airport.
No, you didn't. You didn't record any videos in Punta.
Yes, I did.
Oh yeah, you did. You did. And your mom's phone?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now I'm eating like this. I don't know how it's called. He's eating cheese pizza and I'm eating this. This is like hard to swallow. I bet your mom is coming to ruin it.
Oh my god, look how cheesy this one is.
I'm just waiting for my Wendy's. How does it taste?
10 out of 10, amazing.
Can you like half this?
Yeah,
Should I
have
say-
it. No.
Okay. He says when I'm in the video, it makes his video popular.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's true.
And also, I think this could be my first ever video of me eating.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah.
Can I get a pizza? Oh, never mind. We got this like stuff from Pizza Hut.
Yeah. Pizza Hut, your pizza is amazing. Ooh.
Yo, what? Right now we're like in the airport. We were like in Punta Cana. Like
Yes.
if you
So
don't,
so basically, yeah, we went on vacation, and so yeah,
we
this
stopped.
is the end of our vacation. So we went to
we
the
just-
airport, but me and him, we got a little bit hungry, so that's why we got this.
Yeah. We got Pizza Hut. I'm getting Wendy's. When they're done ordering, my mom's going to get it.
Yeah.
We're in Punta Cana airport. If you don't know, Punta Cana is like the best stuff, but like the hotel rooms are not like the same as the photos.
Yep, and also all the rooms are made out of hay for some reason.
Yeah. But there's cool stuff if you like. There's pools, like but no jacuzzis.
Yeah, but there's the ocean.
Yeah,
The
there-
beach.
Yeah, the beach. Don't drink the water; it like tastes bad.
Yeah, it's like salty, and
Yeah.
and also the seawater, it can dehydrate you.
But look how long we've been recording already.
I bet it'll take me like 5-6 minutes.
You know, Lanky Box is a robot.
Wait, what?
They can record like for 6 minutes on their YouTube channel. Just check your YouTube channel when we're done recording.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit of the sauce gone here.
Look, show them the pizza.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that pizza. here you go. You can have some if you want some.
Like our last, like yesterday when we were in Punta Cana, like we went to a pool. Me and him done like a lot of tricks. But
Yeah.
we didn't record like the thing we
Yeah.
did. We don't have like a camera like cannot like go underwater.
Yeah. Like a GoPro.
He told me like he has high IQ. Like if you put like a bag under like your phone or something your hat, and then you like see it, and then like you're allowed to go underwater. I think that's cap, right? Well, I think it will work. Last bite. Oh, one more bite.
Last bite. And let me get some water to wash it all down.
Oh. Because we like saw a video of the boiling brothers like he like when it was like making like the voice like a person said like I have a burger and they soda to wash it all down.
Yeah, and the voice was like so funny, bro. Anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye.